we need to find the limit e power x square minus x as x approaches to positive infinity. If we make direct substitution to this limit, we know that as x square as x approaches to infinity equal infinity. So e power x square as x approaches to infinity e power x approaches to infinity as x approaches to infinity. So this part goes to infinity, and as x approaches to infinity also this part goes to infinity. So we have indeterminate form of type infinity minus infinity. Therefore we can use L'Hopital's rule. Here, to change this indeterminate form from infinity minus infinity to the well-known form 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, we have firstly to take common factor from this bracket. And we need to take common factor from this bracket to have indeterminate form of type 0 multiply infinity. Then we will change this indeterminate type to 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So our strategy now is to take a common factor to change the indeterminate type infinity minus infinity to first 0 multiply infinity, then we will change it to 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity according to the problem. The common factor here may be x. So this limit equals as x approaches to infinity. If we take x from here as a common factor, so x multiply e power x square divided by x. Because if we take from this term x as a common factor, we can take x outside and divide by x. If we again multiply x multiply this term, we will obtain e power x square. Also, if we take x from the second term as a common factor, the remaining part is 1. So this limit is reduced as follows. Limit x multiply this bracket as x approaches to infinity. We can, based on the laws of limits, we can distribute the limit to this expression as follows. Limit, this is equal limit as x approaches to infinity, limit x multiply limit e power x square over x as x approaches to infinity minus limit 1 as x approaches to infinity. As we can see now, limit 1 as x approaches to infinity, this limit equals 1. This is very easy limit. Also, this limit, here limit x as x approaches to infinity tends to infinity. So it is remaining the limit in the middle, which is limit e power x square over x as x approaches to infinity. We need to find the limit in red color. This is the only remaining part. If we take this limit separately, limit e power x square over x as x approaches to infinity, we find it has indeterminate form of type infinity over infinity. Why? Because as x approaches to infinity, e power x square approaches to infinity. And as x also approaches to infinity, x approaches to infinity. So here we have indeterminate form of type infinity over infinity. So to this limit we can use L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule states that if we have this indeterminate form of type infinity over infinity, then we can differentiate the numerator. The derivative of the numerator is e power x squared as itself, multiply the derivative of the exponential of the power, 2x. The derivative of the denominator x is 1 as x approaches to infinity. Now we can easily solve this limit. This limit, limit 2x multiply e power x squared as x over as x approaches to infinity equal infinity multiply infinity, يعني equal infinity. So this limit also is infinity. يعني this limit is reduced to infinity multiply this infinity multiply infinity minus 1. We know that infinity multiply infinity equal infinity minus this one. Infinity minus infinity is positive infinity. And this is the result. Now this limit e power x squared minus x as x approaches to infinity, now we proved it equals positive infinity. If we need to confirm our answer using some software, we can use a MATLAB command. The MATLAB command, first we enter sims x to enter the variable of the limit x. Here exp1 mean in MATLAB refers to the number e. يعني the number e, which is the base of the natural logarithm, which is approximately 2.72. This number is irrational number and can be written or can be read in MATLAB as exp1. This is the number e in MATLAB. So if we need to write e power x squared, we will write it exp power x squared like this. So our limit is e power x squared minus x like this. This is the expression of the limit. As the variable of the limit x approaches to positive infinity like this كده. The result is, now enter the result as we have shown before, equal infinity or positive infinity like this. If we wanted to change the limiting point to 2 minus infinity, let us see. So we will take this limit as x approaches to minus infinity. We need to find this limit. The result is also infinity. And thank you very much.